Good morning, friends. The topic of today is cardiac cycle. The definition of cardiac cycle is it is defined as succession of coordinated activities that takes place in each heartbeat. Defined as succession of coordinated activities that take place in every heartbeat. There are basically two major steps of cardiac cycle. Those are atrial systole and atrial diastole. The systole comprises of 0.2 seconds and the diastole comprises of 0.53 seconds. So the total duration of cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds when the heart rate is 72 beats per minute. The systole is having two parts. First is isometric contraction and the second is ejection period. The mnemonics for it is IE, and the diastole is having 5 steps. The mnemonics for which is PIRSA. P stands for protodiastole, I stands for isometric relaxation, R stands for rapid filling, S stands for slow filling, and A stands for atrial systole. Now basically, what is isometric contraction? It is for 0.05 seconds. It starts after atrial systole, AV valves close, so there is increased pressure in the ventricle, but there is no change in volume or length of muscle fiber. Ejection period consists of opening of semilunar valves. Those are of two types. First is rapid ejection and the second one is slow ejection. Now in diastole, the first point which is there is protodiastole, the duration of which is 0.04 seconds. During protodiastole, the pressure in ventricles drop. So what happens is pressure in aorta and pulmonary artery increase. Semilunar valves close again and it indicates the end of systole. So at this point of time, S2 is formed. During isometric relaxation, once again all the valves are closed. As the name is isometric, so there will be no change in volume or length of the muscles. There will be fall in intraventricular pressure, but when the pressure goes less than atria, the atrioventricular valves open. This leads to filling of the ventricles. Isometric relaxation I have already told. Now there are two phases, rapid filling and slow filling. As the name suggests, rapid means there will be fast filling of the blood. That is 70% of the blood comes into the ventricle. And during slow filling, only 20% comes. And during atrial systole, it is also called as pre-systole, as it is happening before the systole. That is end of ventricular diastole. And 10% of blood is forced into the ventricles from the atria. I hope this is something very important and mark taking for your UG. All the best.